My name is Emma, and I come from a small but loving family. My family means everything to me, and today I want to share our story. My mother, Sophia, is the heart of our home. She is kind, gentle, and always knows how to make everyone feel better. Every morning, she wakes up early to prepare breakfast, and I still remember the smell of warm pancakes filling the house. As a child, I loved sitting at the kitchen table, watching her cook, listening to her hum a soft tune. She had a way of making even the most ordinary moments feel special. One of my favorite childhood memories is baking cookies with my mother. She would let me mix the dough, even though I often made a mess. When the cookies were finally ready, we would sit together and enjoy them with a glass of milk, talking about everything and nothing. Those were the little moments that made our bond so strong. My father, Michael, is my hero. He is strong, wise, and always teaches me valuable lessons about life. He works as a firefighter, and I admire him for his bravery. When I was young, he would read me bedtime stories every night. He had a way of making every character come to life, and I would fall asleep dreaming of magical lands and incredible adventures. One night, he told me, "Emma, no matter what happens, always be kind, always be strong, and never stop believing in yourself." Those words have stayed with me throughout my life. I have 2 siblings, my older brother Liam and my younger sister Olivia. Growing up with them has been an adventure of its own. Liam, who is 3 years older than me, is the smartest person I know. He loves science and dreams of becoming an astronaut. When we were kids, we would lie under the night sky, and he would tell me about the stars, the planets, and the mysteries of the universe. He made learning fun, and because of him, I developed a love for reading. Olivia, my little sister, is full of energy. She loves to dance and dreams of becoming a professional ballerina. Every evening, she practices in our living room, twirling and spinning with so much passion. I know one day she will achieve her dream because she never gives up. Our family loves spending time together. Every Sunday, we go to the park for a picnic. My mother prepares delicious sandwiches. My father brings a football, and we spend the afternoon laughing, playing, and enjoying the fresh air. One of my favorite family memories was our trip to the beach last summer. The sun was shining, the waves were gentle, and the laughter was endless. We built a giant sand castle, collected seashells, and played in the water. At the end of the day, we sat on the shore, watching the sunset, feeling grateful for the love we shared. Not every moment in our family was happy. Last year, my grandfather passed away. He was a kind and wonderful man who always had stories to tell. Losing him was very painful for all of us, but we supported each other through the grief. We shared our favorite memories of him, looked at old photos, and remembered the joy he brought into our lives. Even though he is gone, his love still lives in our hearts. Another difficult time was when Liam broke his leg while playing soccer. He had to stay in bed for weeks, unable to move. We all took care of him. Olivia brought him his favorite books. My mother cooked his favorite meals, and I spent hours sitting by his side, keeping him company It was a challenging time, but it made our family bond even stronger. Family traditions are what make us who we are. Every Christmas, we decorate the house together, making it glow with lights and festive colors. My mother bakes a special holiday cake, and we all gather around to decorate the Christmas tree. On Christmas morning, we exchange gifts, not because of the presents, but because of the love behind them. On birthdays, we always have a big celebration. Last year, for my birthday, we went to an amusement park. We rode roller coasters, ate cotton candy, and laughed until our stomachs hurt. It was one of the happiest days of my life,